I have a medal for us to get. It's the women's triple jump. And we have a couple of ladies in the final, don't we, Danielle?
Yes, we do.
So fingers crossed. Who knows? Maybe I get two.
Momentum, eh? Yeah. Momentum in this thing is looking good. Let's hope.
Yeah, but that's important also, because I can remember when Usain went out for the first time and did well, you heard the other athletes, and because of that, I didn't feel like I could beat the world. What we saw this morning with the triple jumpers and the 400 men and, and the women say, no, our time now too.
Oh,
Does
yes,
that help?
It was really, really inspiring. It does help when you see your teammates go out and go to battle, go to war and come through. So to see us having qualifiers make it through under tough conditions, because the 400s were super, super hot.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Warren, we're still punching above our weight, aren't we?
Some would say that, but Jamaicans, we operate off vibes and we're very patriotic. So a lot of Jamaicans probably will predict us to get every single medal that we enter in because we are patriotic to the Q. But I would say we are right where we're supposed to be. We have, as I said, we have been working in other areas, in many areas, and I think we're finally reaping our reward for our not being so present in the previous years.
14.3.
Shanika Ricketts on screen.
Yeah, 14.30. And there's our coach husband, Mr. Ricketts.
Kerry Lee.
Yeah.
Well, she's been our standard bearer for years now. Our first gold medal, actually, in the triple jump was from Trisha K. Smith, formerly of the Manning School. And she went all the way up to 15.16 meters. But in the case of Shanika Ricketts, she's also cleared 15 meters. 15.03 is her PB. And she's gotten as high as silver at the global level. So let's see what she can deliver here. She's going to have a hard task because not only the top three Cubans, the top three in the world are from Cuba, our neighbors, but Rojas, oh my gosh.
Rojas is back.
Rojas injured, surgery, hasn't jumped for 2 years, and then she comes and qualifies. So it's going to be tight at the top.
Daniel, how did Shanika look to you?
She struggled a bit in qualification when you compare her to her main rivals. Everybody else, the two Cubans, Povea and Hernandez and Yulimar, even Lafond from Dominica, they all went out one and done, hit the automatic qualifying mark. Shanika tried all 3 attempts and did not meet it. But so it's in terms of comparing her to her main rivals, it looks like she had a little off day technically, but she has time to turn things around. Her coach is there with her for the final, and we know that she's capable of 15 meters. So it's going to be a very tough competition. She's going to have to bring her A game if she's going to get on the podium.
Yeah. So, Bruce, you said it just now, but Rojas, one jump after 2 years and she almost win already.
No, that's a little disheartening, though, because Rojas is the world record holder. She is the Olympic champion. There she's on screen. She is the world champ, Olympic champ, world record holder. She has done it all, then bust up her legs, needs surgery, is out of the sport for 2 years, and this is how you come back? And the reason, you might say, well, hey, Bruce, if she hasn't jumped for 2 years, how does she get to go to the world champs? She's the defending world champion.
What does she do that's a little better than everyone else?
Well, the first thing is
speed or what?
The first thing is that she's about 7 feet tall. No, not quite 7 feet, but she's over 6 feet tall. She does not get as high as many other athletes, but because of her height, that she's almost in the pit when she gets to the last phase. So she does jump. She doesn't, if you look, I guess we'd have to have probably some sideways views on what she's doing. But if you look at the other athletes, they're trying to get high bounding. With Rojas, she's just stepping long steps. It's a hop followed by a step, and then you jump into the pit. And she's just so tall and has such long legs. Yep. She's way ahead of the world.
So we told you Shanika Ricketts in the final. Let's hear from her.
To be in another final, World Championships final. It didn't go exactly how I wanted it to go. I wanted to get it done on the first attempt. That didn't happen. So we had to readjust and make sure that we get the job done. So one more final and just looking forward to going out there and representing.
Yeah, after fouling on that first attempt, you went back 14.30. Pleased with your effort in the end in terms of your series of jumps after getting that first no result, no mark.
Yes, very pleased. The medals aren't won in qualification, and so it's about just getting through the rounds. and just satisfied with the performance. I definitely have to go back and watch to see what I did right and what I did wrong, and just to make some adjustments to come for the finals.
Well, there you go. She's in the final. Bruce, what does she need to jump to medal?
I'd say 1465 is probably the number that we need, but with Rojas there at night now, the 1475, because Rojas might be back at 15 meters. We don't know how good Rojas is because she only took one jump. So you can say, well, she did one jump. Why didn't she keep jumping some more to get more practice? The rules don't allow it. Per World Athletics rules, once you meet the qualifying standard, you have to stop in the field events. Some people have questioned that because they're like, hey, I'd like to practice some more. You just cannot. Once you've made a big Q, you can't keep going. If you make a baby Q, small Q, yes, you can keep jumping.
Warren, what do you feel about Akeelia Smith? What are her chances?
First and foremost, I can definitely